Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chef Keshav Chawla. So today, what we are doing is we are making dahi ke kebab using Amul products, which is an Amul dairy whitener, or you can say Amul milk powder, or Amul dahi. And the ingredients what we are using are this is okay. This is mango chutney. This is homemade. आप अगर आप बाजार से लेना चाहते हैं बाजार वाली भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Salt, आमचूर पाउडर, कार्डमम पाउडर, इलायची पाउडर. ये हरी चटनी है जो हमने बना के रखी हुई है. हमारे ऑर्गेनिक गार्डन के सारे कोरिएंडर्स वगैरह थे तो उससे हमने घर में खुद दरदरी सिलबट्टे में बनाई हुई चटनी. दिस इज फ्रेशली चॉप्ड कोरिएंडर, ग्रीन चिलीज, फाइनली चॉप्ड जिंजर एंड हंग कर्ड. एंड दिस इज सेवियां जो पतली वर्मिसेली मिलती है बाजार में वो. दिस इज फॉर द कोटिंग. So we'll be starting from making this dahi ke kebab. एक बोल ले लीजिए. Before handling any please food products, आजकल हाइजीन का प्लीज ध्यान रखिएगा क्योंकि आजकल कोरोना वायरस बहुत ज़्यादा फैला हुआ है. तो यू शुड अवॉइड यूजिंग बेयर हैंड्स. आप ग्लव्स पहनिए और हाइजीनिकली सब एरिया को हाइजीनिक रखिए. तो हमने ये हंकर्ड ली है. हंकर्ड हम डाल रहे हैं बोल में. नाउ इन दिस वी विल बी पुटिंग इन द सॉल्ट. Little bit of coriander powder. Coriander gives a good flavor to the curd. Then we'll putting in little bit of milk powder. Milk powder आप यूज करेंगे अराउंड 52 क्योंकि हमें मिल्क पाउडर से बाइंडिंग भी देनी है. बाइंडिंग भी करता है मिल्क पाउडर और साथ में गिव्स अ गुड मिल्की फ्लेवर और स्वीटनेस भी लाता है थोड़ा सा इसमें. So it will be around 50 to 60 grams of milk powder. Now we mix it. अगर आपसे इससे नहीं होता वी कैन यूज हैंड ऑल्सो. जैसे अभी इसमें लम्प्स बन गए हैं तो हम विल यूज हैंड सो दैट बाइंडिंग हो जाए प्रॉपर. हम हंकर्ड को ओवरनाइट रखेंगे फ्रिज में सो दैट वाटर पूरा निकल जाए. इसमें पानी बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर इसमें पानी हुआ तो पानी की मॉइस्चर की वजह से इसमें आपके शेप नहीं आएगी और इट टेंड टू ब्रेक. आप जो फ्राई करेंगे तो हमने देखिए बना लिया है. ये अच्छा आ गया है, साथ में बाइंड हो गया है. तो हम क्या करेंगे इसको 5 मिनट के लिए विल पुट इन द फ्रिज सो दैट इट विल बिकम कोल्ड. अपना जो रूम टेम्परेचर थोड़ा ठंडा करके बनाएंगे सो दैट इट विल स्टे टुगेदर. बाय द टाइम हम लोग इसकी फिलिंग बनाएंगे. वी विल बी स्टफिंग इट. सो वी विल बी स्टफिंग इट यूजिंग द चटनी, द मैंगो चटनी व्हाट वी सेड, green chilies, freshly chopped coriander, and 2 teaspoons of ginger. We'll put a pinch of salt also. That's it. We'll get it together. तो फिलिंग है आपकी. फिलिंग इसमें आपको थोड़ा सा इसमें चटपटापन मिलेगा, मीठापन मिलेगा, सॉल्टीनेस होगी. और ये जिंजर इज गुड फॉर हाजमे के लिए अच्छा होता है और इज गुड एंटीबॉडीज ऑल्सो. सो इट विल हेल्प यू आउट इन डाइजेस्टिंग इट. तो हमने कर लिया ये.
There is a question from Achal. What is this?
This is dahi ke kebab. We are using hung curd to make dahi ke kebab. We will not be using any paneer or khoya. This is pure dahi ke kebab. What is made? what we are making today. So we'll take little bit of oil first. You rub it in the hands. इसमें से थोड़ा पेड़ा लेंगे दही का, उसे गोल बनाएंगे और फिर उसको अपने हथेली के साइड से विल प्रेस इट डाउन टू मेक एक थोड़ा सा बीच में डेंट सा बना देंगे स्टफिंग के लिए। इसमें थोड़ी सी अभी चटनी डालेंगे, हाथ से प्रेस करेंगे एंड विल गेट इट टुगेदर। जैसे आप करते हैं स्टफिंग पराठे बनाने के लिए, कुछ करने के लिए, सेम उसी तरह से बनाएंगे। अब ये सेविया का रोल आता है इसमें। जब हमने इसको पेड़े को बना लिया है, देखिए चारों तरफ से क्लोज कर दिया इसको। अब हम इसको सेविया में डालेंगे। सेविया में डाल के विल प्रेस इट डाउन सो दैट ये चारों तरफ इसके कोट कर जाए। इट विल गिव अ गुड क्रिस्पी टेक्सचर टू द कबाब एंड इट विल आल्सो लाइक गिव अ गुड कलर आल्सो। वैसे व्हेन विल डीप फ्राई इट, सो इट विल गेट गुड क्रंची एंड इट विल बिकम क्वाइट लाइक गोल्डन ऑन टॉप। Again we'll do the same thing. जब तक ये होगा हम लोग तब तक तेल ऑन कर लेते हैं। तेल ऑन कर प्लीज। हाँ जी, हल्के कर दीजिए, हल्का कर दीजिए।
People are asking, can we air fry it as well?
You can, but जो सेविया है वो I don't think so it'll get crispy that much. It will tend to burn also. कि एयर फ्रायर में आपका टेम्परेचर का, you have to check it. Yes, you can do it. You can try it. Yes, why not? But it's easy. Frying it is easy. Yes, you can do it. It's more like have it healthier.
We have another question from Achal. Is that roasted sevia?
Yes,
or
you
the
can,
normal
you can use normal also, you can use roasted also. It depends what is available in the market. And it depends on the time of frying also. When you fry it, just make sure that it doesn't get like too dark.
And we have another question from Natasha, that what did you add in the hung curd?
Hung curd, we added cardamom powder, milk powder and salt.
There is another question from Preston. Can we add cheese in the stuffing?
Yes, you can add cheese, and you can avoid, if you want to have it like, you want to add in cheese, you can avoid putting in the chutney. Then you can become a cheese dahi kebab.
And And a question came from Nupur. Milk powder quantity, please.
Milk powder is between 50 to 60 grams, depending upon the taste. If you want it more sweeter, you can add more.
And how much is hunkered?
Hunkered is around 1 kg. 1 kg से आपका निकलता है, if your half is water, it will come out. So it will be like 40% of, it will come out of it, the yield. So you can make it and like keep it in the fridge also. You can use it the day after. Then now we'll fry it. I'll show you how to do it, please.
Did you add any something for binding as well?
Nothing, just milk powder. It was just milk powder what we use for binding because the hunkered moisture is already gone. So the milk powder helps it to like get it together.
And which kind of milk powder is this?
We are using Amulya. This is Amul brand and this is some milk dairy whitener what you can. You can use any kind, but we preferably use Amulya.
And it is a coriander powder or cardamom powder?
It is cardamom powder.
And you will upload recipe after the show?
Yes, I'll be doing it in the comment section after this.
Do we chill the kebab before frying or?
You can do that as in the temperature of the hunkered is okay right now, so I'm frying it right away, or you can keep it for like half an hour in the fridge and then fry it. And you can use it day after also. It doesn't go like bad. You can keep it for a day in the fridge. Yes. Temperatures. We will not fry it on high temperature. We will do it on low temperature because if you put it directly in high temperature, the sevia, the vermicelli will go brown, dark at once only.
And what should be the flame right now?
Flame is medium. When it will be done, it will come on the oil, it will come up in the oil, so you can take it out easily also.
Do we have to stir it again and again?
No, you don't need to, like, because it will tend to break if you move it again in the oil.
And suppose if we don't get the sevia, what we have taken?
You can use breadcrumbs. You can use homemade breadcrumbs, or you can use the packeted ones, the panko breadcrumbs what you get.
And can you tell please again about the stuffing again?
The stuffing what we used today was mango chutney. That was homemade mango chutney, or you can use a market bought also. And I put chopped green chilies in that, chopped coriander, and finely chopped ginger, and we mixed it together, and a little bit of salt. See, it's rising.
Is it going to be a sweet kebab due to milk powder?
Yeah, it'll be a little bit of sweet and sour because of the chutney inside. Then you can serve it along with green chutney. What I'll be doing it right away. I'll show you when I'll plate it.
Are we on a medium flame or?
We are on medium flame. The pan what I'm using today is a non-stick one, so that it tends to little bit get the dark on the lower side. If you use a thicker pan, the kadai, it will tend to stay equal on all sides. So now we'll do the plating. This is the green chutney. This is salad. What we are going to do? This is what cucumber, tomatoes, and green onion. We'll put in a little salt, chaat masala, and we'll plate it on the side.
And can we put any other chutney there?
Yes, whatever is available in the market. You can use apple chutney, plum chutney.
And can we do shallow fry?
Yes, you can shallow fry, but depends. It'll soak oil more. Like shallow frying deep frying is better than shallow frying as always. The shallow fry tends to take in more oil.
Any other thing we can use for binding rather than powder, milk powder?
You can use little bit of corn flour, or you can use little bit of maida, refined flour. These are all edible flour. This is mustard flour, what I'm using in to garnish it. And these are coriander flours.
We can use roasted besan as well.
Yes, you can use roasted besan also. Depends upon what kind of binding you want to give it. So here it is, dahi ki kebab. You can enjoy, and you can follow me on Instagram and Chef Keshav Chawla, and you can DM me for recipes. And here it is. Any more queries? If there are, please ask.
Pratibha is asking for mango chutney recipe.
Mango chutney. I'll DM it for you. I'll put it in the comment section. The mango chutney. Right. Then thank you for so much for watching.